Kilauea, Hawaii's magnificent active volcano, is more than just an eruption of molten rock from deep within the earth. Kilauea is a miracle of creation, one of the few places on Earth where visitors may bear witness to such a spectacular sight. This is a site that has long mesmerized visitors. Houses quickly burn to the ground, a reminder that volcanoes take no hostages. Magnificent rainforests were no match for this unstoppable 20-foot-high wall of lava. Such a flow devastated the Royal Gardens subdivision in 1983 as it surged several hundred feet in just a few minutes, destroying the entire neighborhood. Kilauea is a continuing story, a story that is constantly changing. It is a story of nature in all her fury and beauty. After witnessing Kilauea erupting, one can easily understand why the moth is attracted to the flame. Tropical flowers quietly unfold their delicate petals to welcome the sun's rays. The sound of birds singing overhead echoes throughout the rainforest. There is enchantment here. It's all around you. As you walk through a rainforest, you are in another world, a world that is serene, where peace fills your heart like a gentle trade wind, and the scent of ginger blossoms fill the air. While in the forest, pause now and then. Listen to the sounds and absorb the beauty that our Creator has blessed us with. A breeze gently rustles the umbrella of ferns above. The sound of a waterfall in the distance becomes a musical backdrop for a symphony of birds. These are very special moments.